Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, here fixed cost is 100,000 and the variable cost per units is $20. So that X is equal to the number of units, or we can say X is equal to the number of calculators. So our total variable cost is 20x. Therefore, our total cost function is given by C of X is equal to variable cost plus fixed cost. So here C of X is equal to 20x plus 100,000. Now to graph the line, we need only 2 points, right? So here y-intercept is 100,000. So our first point is 0 and 100,000. And when x is equal to 4,000, then cost is 180,000. Right? So we need to draw a line between these 2 points that gives our cost function. Now here selling price is $45, therefore revenue function is given by price multiplied by quantity, and here quantity is x, therefore our revenue function is 45x. Okay, when x is equal to 0, then revenue is also 0, and when x is equal to 4,000, then revenue is 180,000. So again we need to draw a line between these 2 points. Now profit function is given by revenue minus cost, and here revenue is 45x and here cost is 20x plus 100,000. So here 45x minus 20x, that is equal to 25x. So this is our profit function, which is also equation of line. So again we need 2 points to graph the line. So when x is equal to 4,000, then profit is 0, and when x is equal to 8,000, then profit is 100,000. So we need to draw a line between these 2 points. Now let's draw all these 3 graphs. Okay, so this red line that indicates our cost function, this blue line that indicates our revenue function, and this green line that indicates our profit function, right? Now write the profit function over here. Okay, now we need to find the profit when x is equal to 150,000 calculators. So substitute x is equal to 150,000. So here profit is $3.65 million. And our last question is how many calculator must the firm sell in order to break even? So for break even, take P is equal to 0. So here P is equal to 25x minus 100,000. Now divide by 25 both sides. So here x is equal to 4,000. So to break even, we need to must sell 4,000 calculators. Thank you.